This is the Autobody program. It allows students to learn key entry-level skills to get an entry-level position into the auto collision industry. Allows students to learn everything from painting, the detailing, the welding, and dent repair. The biggest advantage of having it right now is they get to try out a career path that they may be interested in before they even graduate. So they don't have to waste valuable time post-graduation to invest a lot of money. So you know which one's higher, it's the paint side.
Right now we're actually getting our I-CAR certification. This is a very big advantage for me. Since I can learn on how to work cars by myself, I don't have to go on other workshops to get fixed when I have the knowledge to fix my own car myself.
Right now the job market is very exciting for them because our industry, like a lot of industries, are in dire need for technicians. And so right now the industry is looking towards the high school level student to invest in that student now. They get to learn and have these opportunities free of charge to them, get their entry-level knowledge and skills through this class and get employed before even leaving high school.